In today's session, we'll explore the topic of noise pollution in urban areas. Noise pollution refers to disruptive or excessive sounds that interfere with normal living conditions. Recently, there has been growing recognition of its harmful effects, particularly in urban environments, on human health and well-being. While air and water pollution are well documented, noise pollution has received comparatively less attention, especially regarding its psychological and social consequences. Urban noise arises from multiple sources. The most prominent are transportation systems. Vehicles like cars, buses, trains, and airplanes consistently produce noise in densely populated areas. Construction work also contributes significantly, as machinery and equipment operate at high decibel levels over long durations. On a smaller scale, everyday noises such as loud music, public announcements, and household appliances also add to the overall noise levels. The impact of noise pollution has been studied in both humans and animals. Research suggests that prolonged exposure to excessive noise can lead to health problems like high blood pressure, stress, and disturbed sleep patterns. For animals, particularly those that rely on sound for communication, urban noise can interfere with their ability to navigate or locate food sources. Interestingly, noise pollution indirectly affects plants as well. Studies indicate that loud urban sounds can deter pollinators, such as birds and insects, reducing the likelihood of pollination in city greenery. This serves as a reminder of how deeply interconnected urban ecosystems are, even amidst the bustle of cities. Despite the known impacts, initiatives to tackle noise pollution remain limited in scope. While many major cities worldwide have implemented regulations, such as restricting construction hours or requiring the use of noise-dampening materials in buildings, consistent enforcement has proven challenging. Quantifying the precise impact of noise pollution poses additional difficulties because sound levels vary by time and location. However, it is well established that prolonged exposure to noise exceeding 85 decibels can result in irreversible hearing damage. Some cities are now adopting advanced noise monitoring systems to gather real-time data, enabling researchers to pinpoint high-risk areas and periods. One study, conducted by researchers at the University of Diamond, examined the effects of urban noise on birds. Birds play an essential role in maintaining ecological balance by controlling insect populations and dispersing seeds. The researchers investigated whether extended exposure to city noise would alter the behavior and health of specific bird species. Their findings confirmed this hypothesis. The study focused on sparrows and pigeons, two bird species commonly found in urban areas. Under controlled conditions, the birds were subjected to recordings of typical urban sounds, such as traffic and construction noise, for prolonged periods. Results revealed that sparrows exhibited stress-related symptoms, including increased heart rates, while pigeons experienced reduced reproductive success. Both species also modified their vocal patterns, possibly to communicate above the noise. Moreover, the researchers noted changes in plant growth in the same areas. Because sparrows and pigeons contribute to seed dispersion, their reduced activity led to diminished vegetation. This demonstrates how the effects of noise pollution extend beyond immediate concerns, influencing broader ecological systems. The study's conclusions are both alarming and insightful. To summarize, the researchers argued that noise pollution in cities should be addressed not only as a standalone issue but as part of a broader effort to sustain urban ecosystems. Reducing noise levels benefits not just human populations but also the intricate relationships among living organisms in urban environments.